Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate and save a video using VLC Media Player. You can rotate a video in VLC Media Player and save the rotation version by following this step. So make sure you have already opened your VLC Media Player and opened a file. So in order to rotate the video, what you need to do is in the top, there's this icon tools. What you need to do is you need to select effects and filters here. And from here, you need to select video effects tab in the top. So from the video effects, you need to go to the geometry. And under this geometry, you'll find this icon for this transform. Simply select this small icon here. And you can select for this rotate by 90 degrees. Click onto this icon here and you can select rotate by 180 degrees. Flip vertically as I'm going to select one of it and select save. And after that, you need to go to media in the top left. So after that, you can select convert or save. And that is it. This is how you can rotate and save a video using VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.